Again, here, as we would do it for the standalone mode, we use the same terminals here. So the smart meter that will be connected for making the cluster mode dynamic is connected to the same terminals like 5 and 6. And also the smart meter, of course, is basically installed the same way that it would be for the standalone mode. The only difference is right here again, we have like more than one charging station connected to build up the cluster. And basically, so the difference to the static mode is we have the smart meter connected to the master wall box over here to take into consideration the total load of the installation, basically. So as said, same principle as for standalone. And same installation mode as for standalone, just that we have more than one one wall box now in the installation, and we take into consideration dynamically the overall consumption of the installation. In terms of configurations, the setup is pretty much the same. Yeah, so we enable it by going in one wall box, navigating into local load management, enabling local load management, and setting it as a master wall box. We also set the limits of the installation, and then we select the compatible smart meter here in supply type. And in this case, it's a clever meter, so we choose clever. And then for the slave wall box, we do the same as we did for the static. We also enable the master slave, the cluster mode, select this charge point as a slave, and then we have basically the setup, and we have the same possibilities now to look into the installation as we've had before. So we can navigate at the master wall box to the local load management tab, and we can go to the load management group tab to see all the installed chargers and to see this real-time information that we've seen before. Of course, in the slave wall boxes, this load management group option is not accessible. So if you want to click on it, it just doesn't go there because this is only visible in the master wall box. And as said, the real-time values can also be shown in the dynamic mode. So it's always transparent actually what the chargers are doing within the installation.